are currently headed up to SFO, where we are going to be dropping off the Audi to its new owner. So technically this is the last drive of ownership. So drop the car off to a new owner. Definitely sad to see it go, but it is time to move on. So after we drop it off, we're actually going to be heading to a couple dealerships around the area where we'll be hopefully buying another car. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we come home with a car. If not, then it should be in the next couple of days or so. We had to come inside the parking garage so I can drop my car off, park it, then we have to drive up there, meet him, then bring him back here so we can do the paperwork, and then that's it. He's off and buy Audi. Dang, I just thought about it. So you know how when we go places and they ask you, have you been in contact with anybody outside states? We gotta say yes, no.
I'm saying no.
Taking all precautions.
Hold on.
My last time in an Audi S4. How do you feel?
Sad.
That's for the best though.
My stomach feels sad.
Until you hop into your new car.
Yeah, true.
I think
there he is.
Yeah, some right there.
Oh, he came with some guy. Okay.
Alright. The Audi is officially sold. Dang.
It's so sad right now.
It's gone.
That's my baby. That's my baby.
So this is test drive number 1. Let's see. I offered him a price because the thing is, like, we already know what type of car we want. Already got the money for it. So I offered him a price. He said test drive it. You know how dealerships are. They always try to get the most bang for their buck. So I told him how much I want the car for it. Let's see if he can actually work a deal. If not, we're walking away. So we just left the dealership because, just like I told you guys, test drove the car, went back, tried to talk numbers, told him what I wanted. He couldn't do it, so we left. So literally on my way home, like, what was it, like maybe 15 minutes?
No.
Like 10?
That was like literally 7 minutes.
Well, nonetheless.
We were only to the second light.
Nonetheless, we're on our way home. Called us and tried to work out a deal. Finally got it down. $100 more than what I said, which is not even bad at all. Like, whatever, I'll give it $100. So we're headed back to the dealership again to try this for a second time. So let's see what happens. So we're back at the dealership. I hate having to cut you guys on and off, like updating you instead of actually telling you like what's happening right then and there. But kind of don't like having a camera when talking business, especially having a camera in like a stranger's face without asking. And the fact that this is business just makes me not want to. So I'm gonna just keep updating you guys when I find something new out, but we'll see. All right, so we're about halfway through this process, just a little bit more, and we'll see if she's gonna be coming home with a car today or not. How you feel?
I'm excited. Scared.
It's definitely scary committing to another car, but
yeah,
gotta get done. So I hate wearing masks. I understand.
So let me show you guys a little sign right here.
You gotta show the back. So this is about 95% done. The only thing left to do is just sign. So we gotta go to the bank right now to take some money out. Look how wild this car looks. Carbon fiber hood. Carbon fiber lip.
Oh, and the little lip on the bottom?
Carbon fiber roof. Carbon fiber wing. It says F too. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you guys can't see it. That's sick. Is that carbon fiber too?
Yeah, it's carbon fiber.
Oh. Carbon fiber, I guess you can say side lip. It's not, I wouldn't consider that a side skirt, but red interior. Wow, this car's sick. Looks like
it's leather and like
it looks like it was somebody's car before. Like they took it, modded, and then returned it. I've never seen a car come with a carbon fiber hood before. So after everything is all said and done, the paperwork is done, she's taking the car home today. The car that she chose was the 2017 Lexus IS 200T F Sport with the red interior. Let me go ahead and show you guys. Took it in this, what is it, gray?
yeah.
It's gray, right? The front end of these is just, man, takes the case for sure. Look at that. Man, that's so clean. That is so clean. Let's go ahead and show you guys the interior. So of course we got the red on the door panels inside. Got the F Sport right there on the steering wheel down below. Red interior, of course front and back. We got the 10-inch touchscreen up top right here. And of course just your typical buttons down below. What's cool, and I think this is kind of a typical Lexus thing, it not only does come with heated seats, but it comes with cool seats. That's like a plus, because right now we enter in the summer and it's real hot. And the car's in good shape too. Like the body is straight, there's no dents, any of that stuff. So I guess this car was used as a lease before, so it only has one owner. So technically she is the second owner of this. So Lil got her car. You can see red interior, no tents though. She had to put the shades on the flex on, of course. But while she got her car, look what I did today. Oh boy, rip. Big rip. Yikers, but what can you do? It's whatever, it's gonna happen. So we're headed back home. I am 100% proud of Lily. She finally got the car that she wanted. This car is actually the car she wanted before the Audi. Basically what happened was, she was looking for the F Sport, she wanted the F Sport, but then she saw the Audi and she's like, oh look, the Audi's cheaper and nice, red interior, sick, S4, let's get it. Got the car, obviously you guys saw, I had it for a couple months, check engine light came on, the rest is history. So now that she actually got the opportunity, again, you know, why not? Why not get something that you want, you know? So clean. Porsche GT3. Oh man. Sorry. Anyways, so the opportunity presented itself again. So you know, why not take it? So again, I'm real proud of her. I'm glad that she ended up getting a car that she wanted. Basically been dreamed of since she was able to actually buy a car herself. So let me tell you guys the story of how we got this car. So we arrived at the dealership, right? They had two other F Sports there. One was completely trashed. Like it had dents everywhere, scratches everywhere, paint missing. Like it was just like trashed, right? Same year, I think it was the same year, 2017. And then they had another one that was pretty much perfect, but it was just too expensive. So right when we're about to walk away, I guess he's like the service guy or the tech, whatever. He comes rolling around the corner in this exact car that we got. And me and Lil both look, we were like, oh, look at that one. Like it's the color that she actually wanted other than white. And it has red seats, you know, basically the spec that she wanted. So like, oh, let's look at that one. So then that's how we like engaged into that car. And then it's just funny how that one was still too expensive. So then when I told him the price that I wanted to pay, he said he couldn't do it. So then we walked away, literally on our way home. We were literally on our way home. And I think I made the wrong turn. And so then we had to go around. And then that's when he called us. And then we went back to the dealership. And then look, we ended up getting the car. So I say all that to say that everything happens for a reason, and what's meant to be will be.